quick little video today. So I drive every day for work. You guys know that if you've been here for any length of time. And I drive these old cars. I got the old Civic over there, and then I got this Pontiac. And as you can see, the headlight is out. So I had to order some bulbs on Amazon to get them here today, because if you buy the bulbs locally, it'd be like $40 for a decent set of bulbs. So I found some for $13 to get them here overnight. I had to make another purchase, and I don't know if it's going to turn out good or not, so we're going to find out. I got the cheapest yellow LED fog light bulbs for this car that I could find on Amazon, and they had no reviews, so I'm like the first guy. So we'll see. It's very interesting because the box came in. It's a no-name box. That's what I expected. It doesn't even have the color marked, so I think we'll be lucky if they are even the right color, but we're gonna find out. So there's a couple things I got to do first. You can see the lights out there. Corner light is busted. Gonna fix that soon, but I needed these lights overnight, so we got a little overspray from whenever the car was painted before I had it on the fog light, so I got to clean that up. But let's go over here to the Jeep and grab these, get out of this wind here, and we'll look at these items that I got. Set you guys up, and we'll look and see what we got. So these are the cheap headlight bulbs that I got, inexpensive I should say. Hella high wattage. Now supposedly these are going to be brighter than what I had. We're going to find out in a minute here. I'll put one of the bulbs in the side that's out, and I'll leave the current bulb in, and we'll kind of compare. It's daytime, but we'll do that, and then I'll put the other one in. So this is the mystery purchase. So these are supposed to be the 880 fog light bulbs. It's very interesting. So let's look at the box. It does not say 880 anywhere on here, and it does not have the color marked. It's supposed to be this one. So this will be interesting. Let's see what's in the box. Okay. Yeah. They look cheap. It's kind of what I expected. Now keep in mind, I bought these so that I could get these here today, because I've got to work, guys. It's very serious. I need that headlight. So I'll go put these in. I'll scrape off those I'll scrape off the lenses on the fog light bulb, the fog light housings, and then yeah, we'll install these things and see if we even got the right color, and if they look decent. And then later on I'll take a little footage tonight when I'm out working, and we'll see what they look like, see if they worked. Let's find out. Just got to take these two 10mm off, pull the housing out. So this is the new one. This is the one that was still working. I do feel like this one's going to be a bit brighter, and maybe a little bit on the whiter side, but it's not totally white. Still got that old school look. And so I'm going to go and replace this one off camera, and then we're going to get to the fog lights. I'm going to find out if they're actually even the right color and if they even work. So two things. I ended up just removing the assembly because it's super easy. It's just these two nuts. They go on these two studs here, and it just goes in there like that. That made it a whole lot easier to get this in, because I was trying to do it by hand on the car, and it was like impossible. And I'm just going to tell you why with these bulbs. The gasket on the old one, let's see, is not as thick, you know, as the gasket on the new one. So just putting it in there by hand and turning it, probably not going to work. I actually ended up using these. I don't really recommend that, but I had to do that to get this turned to where this was actually tight where it's supposed to be. So now I'm just going to put this back, and just so you know, a little side note, this is like the adjustment for the height of the beam. So right here, you just turn this little guy here, and it's like on a spring, and it turns up or down. So anyway, but I'm gonna put this back in, gonna plug it in, put it back in. The plug's right there, so get that done, and then I'll do the other one, and then we'll take a look at it. All right guys, it's been a couple days. I've been driving the car, had some nighttime driving, we had some rain and fog as well, so you know, I took some footage over the last couple of days for you guys to check out here in just a second. And for $16, I'm not unhappy with these yellow LED fog lights. The headlights I put in are about the same as the ones before. For $13, you just can't complain about that, and it had to be done. So definitely planning some more upgrades to the lighting on this car in the future. Lighting is very important, but hey, look, with that said, guys, I'm just going to get off here, let you check out this footage. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I appreciate each and every single one of you. As always, until next time, I'm out.